What is the integral of ln x from 0 to 1? First, notice that this is an improper integral because ln x is not defined at 0. If we look at the graph of the natural log, we can see that the y-axis is an asymptote. The area we're trying to find is this area shaded in red. The question now is, does this area converge or diverge? You can prove that it converges by taking the antiderivative of ln x using integration by parts and plugging in the bounds and taking the limit. But we'll go for a more creative solution that uses symmetry. Consider the inverse function of the natural log, which we get by reflecting the graph in the line y equals x. The inverse function is the exponential function, y equals e to the x. And the area we're trying to find is precisely this area. The area under e to the x from negative infinity to 0. So we can find this area by taking an easier integral, which is the integral from negative infinity to 0 of e to the x dx. But be careful. The area under the natural log is negative because it's below the x-axis, whereas the area under the exponential function is positive. So we need to account for this sign change by inserting a negative sign next to the integral. Now we can evaluate this integral very easily by taking the limit first, because it's still improper since it has infinity in its bounds. The antiderivative is very easy to find, and then we'll plug in the limit and get -1 as our solution. So the integral of the natural log from 0 to 1 converges to -1.